We are here for the 12th edition of the seminar on peace and security, which brings together members of the African Union Peace and Security Council and the United Nations Security Council. We are here for coordination and harmonization of policies in order to put the agenda of peace in Africa on the global stage. And we thank Algeria for hosting this important event. As usual, they have been doing it for 12 years, and we believe that it's an opportunity for all of us to rub minds and brainstorm on the way forward, especially on peace support operations and financing of peace support operations, then harmonization with members of the A3+, especially those countries that are from the Caribbean like Guyana, and also to work in harmony with the regional economic communities and the regional mechanisms in order to change the landscape and address the daunting security challenges facing the continent, especially war in Sudan, Somalia, Libya, Eastern DRC, and the daunting terrorism in the Sahel.